When I first started here at Clark, it was a little intimidating, but I decided to change careers. It takes a lot of dedication, a lot of sacrifice to want to succeed and try something new and push myself to be something. My name is Brian. I came to Clark to attend the C-Tech program. Most of my professional career in landscaping and custodial, decided it was time to make a transition to something new. I decided I wanted to go into computers, and computer technology seemed like a good starting place to lay the groundwork. The professors are great. They're very knowledgeable. A lot of patience, too. I'd say that's a big one, a lot of patience, especially for somebody like me, came in knowing absolutely hardly anything other than knowing how to email, and help me open up, kind of blossom and say, yeah, okay, I can do this. I feel like there's more opportunity out there for me, and I'm not just pigeonholed into what I was doing. I'm almost there. I'm very excited. You can do it. It can happen. You know, it just takes a little bit of dedication and hard work, but it can be done.